The Rotate to Object tool will rotate selected geometry relative to a polygon. So what we can do is go ahead and I'm going to select my first polygon, and this is what my other geometry is going to rotate to. It's going to orient itself to this target polygon. So with this polygon selected, I'm going to go ahead and select another polygon. This is going to be the basis for the rest of the geometry. So I'm going to go ahead and well, I hit select connect and it grabbed the ball as well, which I don't want. So I'm going to grab the polygon again, select this polygon, and then I'm just going to lasso select the rest of the geometry. I don't want to select any other polygons on the face of this box. Okay, so with that selected, I'm going to come over to Modify, Rotate, More, Rotate to Object, and this snaps, it orients itself to the selected polygon, the very first polygon selected. So let's take a look. I'm going to select the top polygon here, come over here and select the face on the sphere, and then let me get the rest of that. Okay, but note that I selected this face right here, and then look where the poles are located on this sphere, so that when we go and modify, rotate, more, rotate to object, it orients the first selected polygon on the sphere to this polygon, and then of course all the other geometry that's connected to the sphere moves accordingly. So using rotate to object, I'm able to place this exactly on this polygon, and I was able to place this disk on this polygon, so it will rotate and move. So even though it's called rotate to object, it's actually rotating and moving the object. It takes the first selected polygon that defines the target orientation, and the second and any other selected polygons will rotate and align to the first selected polygon, and that's rotate to object located under the Modify tab.